Today we're going to do a deep dive into Sporty's Crosswind Flight Gear Bag. This bag is a favorite among student pilots because it has room for all the gear you need and it's available at a great price point. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Sporty's Flight Gear bags feature durable construction and easy pull zipper pulls. The front pocket is an organizational pocket, spots for your pens, pencils. There's even a key clip where you put your car keys. Most pilots don't like flying with stuff in their pocket, so the things in your pocket often end up in this front pocket. On the front flap here, you'll find our e-tracker holder. This is where you can slide in a popular e-tracker like an Apple AirTag. This allows you to be able to find your flight bag if you happen to lose it. The front flap is also where you'll find the embroidery window. There's a little hidden zipper here that unzips, and Sporty's expert staff of embroidery personnel could put your name on here, your initials, or even your favorite end number. There's a zippered pocket here in the back, which is great for storing charging cables. As we work our way around the bag, you'll find this slash pocket that is perfectly sized for a fuel test or a flashlight. You can also put some pens in here. This pocket is a padded headset pocket, and it's large enough to store most aviation headsets. The back of the bag has a magnetic closure pocket, so when nothing is inside of it, the magnet keeps it flush. This pocket could be used for charts. I like putting my iPad in here so it's quick and easy access. There are two pockets on this end of the bag, expandable pocket that could be used for a water bottle or a massive backup battery brick. This is a padded radio pocket. The flap up top here has an hourglass shape, so it lets my antenna stick up. The bottom of this bag has this rubberized fabric with custom cleats. This helps prevent water from soaking up through the bottom of the bag if you happen to set this down on a wet tarmac. These sturdy handles are kept together by this padded wrap. It also has a padded shoulder strap that's adjustable for many lengths. The main pocket of the bag is sized for books, and that's one of the reasons why this is a favorite among student pilots. You can put FAR aims in here, POHs, all those things you need for training go in the main compartment. The main compartment is lined with slash pockets. I have a Century in this pocket over here and a logbook here in the front. The back of the bag has a gear mod wall, and Sporty's makes a whole line of different gear mods that you can further customize the organization of your flight bag. The Crosswind bag is uniquely suited to student pilots or those who have more stuff to carry inside this main compartment. This is one of many Sporty's Flight Gear bags, and we have a bag for just about every mission out there. You can find them all online at sportys.com.